Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix block payments on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone and go to the Activity tab. Find the block or failed payment in your recent transactions and tap on it to view the error message or reason. If asked to verify your identity, go to Settings and click Personal Information and complete the steps. Check your linked bank or card. Make sure it's active and not expired. If needed, try removing and re-adding your payment method under linked accounts. Still having issues? Contact Cash App support through the app. You may also want to ask your bank to approve Cash App transactions or lift any restrictions. Once everything is set, try resending the payment or request a manual review from the Cash App support. And that's it. That's how to fix block payments on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.